And now we'll talk about the homework. With the homework, we have a moles of A, moles of B problem that you need to go over. I told you that if you start with moles of a substance, it asks for moles of another, all you do is the mole ratio. That is numbers 1 and 2 on 12-2. That'll be your mole-to-mole examples that you need to be ready for on the test. Okay? And then we have a moles of A to moles of B problem, mass of B. That means I start at moles of A, so I can skip my first step. My second step will be mole ratio, and then multiply by mass of B. That is problems 3 on your homework under section 12-2. And then the big problem is our mass of A to mass of B. That is all 3 steps included, where you divide by the special number, mole ratio, and multiply by the special number. In a special mass to mass problem, you know that you will, steps 1, divide by the mass of A, mole ratio, multiply by the mass of B. Those problems on your homework is number 4 and 5. And the reaction that you'll use for number 5 is here on the board, Ag plus Cl gives AgCl on your homework 12-2. Then we have the mixed problem. The mixed problem is where I can start with any quantity, go to any other quantity of the second substance. In a mixed problem, remember your 3 steps are divide by the special number, mole ratio, multiply by the special number. For 12-3, on your homework, that's called the Lipton reactant. I'm throwing in one problem of a Lipton reactant where you start at moles of both reactant 1 and reactant 2. That means all you have to do is do mole ratio and then multiply by the special number. The equation that you'll use for number 1 and 2 on 12-3 is here. 2H2 plus O2 gives us 2H2O. For 12-3, you will start with grams of both reactant, and you will take the grams of both reactant of C plus O2 and go to mass of CO2. That will be a mass to mass. For both reactants, you will, just like I did it in class, you will divide by mass, mole ratio, and then multiply by mass. And then number 4, the final problem for homework 12-3, that one is a little bit more tricky. The reaction I'll have to put on the board later, but you are going to take 25.8 grams of HCl and calculate the mass of Cl2. And then when you find the percent yield, number 4 on 12-3, you will use the 13.6 grams as your actual, and the amount that you determine from 25.8 grams of HCl as your theoretical.